Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. Today we are bringing out the best ideas and inspiration for your dream home. Today we are driving into something super exciting, wooden wardrobe designs. If you are think about the upgrading your bedroom storage or maybe you building a new home, this is for you. Wooden wardrobes are not just a functional, they also add a touch of warmth and elegance to any room. Whether you are into the minimalistic vibes or love that classic rust look, we have got some designs ideas for you. Let's start with the classic wooden wardrobes designs. This is perfect for everyone who loves timeless pieces, usually made with the solid wood like a teak or oak. These wardrobes have a beautiful carving and detailing that gives them a rich and vintage look. Pair with the natural wall or even a floral wallpaper to make a bedroom feel cozy and elegant. Add a cozy and functionality is unavailable. With ample handing space, shelves or drawers, you can keep everything organized and easily accessed. Next up, we have the modern minimalistic wardrobes. If you are all about the clear lines and culture free space, this one for you. These wardrobes often come with the sliding doors and handing less designs, give with them the smooth and contemporary look. Light wood like pine and beech are the great choice here, and they make our space look bigger and brighter. Plus, maybe modern designs come with the small features like built-in lighting and soft cozy doors, super click and functionality. Now, for those who love the raw and nature aesthetic, the rustic wooden wardrobes is a fantastic option. These wardrobes are the rugged, warm, character and often showcases in natural grain and not of your wooden. It's usually made from the reclaimed wood and unfinished timbers, which gives the perfect look. This design is great or cozy, creating cozy and nature-inspired vibes in your bedroom. And do not forget to access the blanket or linen storage boxes, the extra touch of rustic fame. Want to keep things light and more open? These open wardrobe concepts are gaining popularity. These are wardrobes, ditch and door, and allow the showcase the doors and close access the part of room. Finally, if you are looking to make a bedroom appearing more spacious, go with the wardrobe with the mirror panel. This mirror is not add a modern touch but also reflect light, making your room look bigger and brighter. It's a perfect blend with the style and functional. And there we have it, some amazing wardrobes designs ideas that can be transform your any room. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe our channel for more inspiration designs, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest updates, designs and inspiration tips. Thanks for watching us today. We will see you in next time in next video. Keep decorating and styling your dream house. Thank you and have a nice day.